Hey guys, I'm Eva and welcome to my new channel. I'm new to YouTube, so what about you give me some support and give this video a big thumbs up. Today I will be showing you how to make a basic fluffy slime. If you don't know what slime is, you'll see. So we just have to start off with some PVA glue. It makes a funny sound, right, Maya?
Yes. A few hours later.
Does that help the glue? I want to open your shaving cream. Give it a little shake.
Well.
And then you're gonna mix it. Mix the glue and the shaving cream together, and it should start looking like marshmallow fluff. Optionally, you can use food coloring to dye the slime, but I'm not going to do that. Next, you're going to take contact lens solution and some baking soda. You're going to pour your contact lens solution in little by little and mix it. Whoa! And it should start pulling away from the sides of the bowl. And that's how you know it's activating. But to make sure it isn't very sticky, you can take a pinch of baking soda, only a pinch, because otherwise your whole slime might fall apart. See? It's already starting to activate. But maybe your slime won't activate as fast as mine did, so just be patient. Because I remember the first time I made fluffy slime, it took a while. I'm going to say that. It took a while. And then you can start mixing it up with your hands. And once your slime is activated like this, then you could start playing to your heart's desire. But make sure to put it on a placemat if it's still a little bit sticky. Because otherwise, your table could have lots of stains on it, and I don't think your mom would like that. And it should kind of feel fluffy-ish, because I guess that's how fluffy slime should feel. And make sure to put it in an airtight container overnight, or when you're done playing with it, because otherwise then your slime could dry out and it could be flakes, and that won't be very nice. And you can make bubbles with the slime. So it's super nice. It's fluffy. And you can customize it. If you want to add fruit dye, you can do that after you added the shaving cream, because the shaving cream might make it a little bit darker. So I don't think it's a good idea to add the food coloring right after the glue. Do you want to say hello to Raspberry? Nope, she's heading into the kitchen. Who's the cute kitty? You are. Oh, you are. I love you, kitty cat. So I hope you guys liked this video. If so, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Ding! Okay. I hope you guys liked this video. Why can't we do liked this video. If so, leave a like. Okay, so I hope you guys liked this video. If so, leave a like.